Gentlemen and distinguished guests and our valued stakeholders, we welcome you to this momentous occasion. We are gathered here today to celebrate the listing of Muthoot Microfin Limited on BSE. Well, this is a significant milestone for the company, and we are thrilled to have you join us today to celebrate this momentous occasion with us. We request you to kindly stand up 2 minutes for the silent prayers.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
We request you to stay standing for 10 seconds for the silent prayers, please. Thank you. Please take your seats. Muthoot Microfin Limited is a microfinance institution providing microloans to women customers primarily for income generation purposes with a focus on rural regions of India. They are the fourth largest NBFC MFI in India in terms of gross loan portfolio and third largest amongst the NBFC MFI in South India in terms of gross loan portfolio, the largest in Kerala in terms of MFI market share and a key player in Tamil Nadu with an almost 16% market share as of December 31st, 2022. A part of the Muthoot Papachan Group, a business conglomerate with presence across financial services, automotive, hospitality, real estate, information technology, infrastructure, precious metals, and alternate energy sectors. So before we move forward, let's give a big hand to Muthoot Microfin Limited for this glorious journey so far. And with great experience comes great minds. And today, on this momentous occasion, we would like to welcome the various dignitaries who have joined us today with a bouquet. To begin with, we would like to welcome Mr. Girish Joshi, Chief Listing and Trading Development, BSE. Let's give him a big hand. Thank you, sir, for joining us on stage. And now we would like to welcome the promoters of Muthoot Microfin Limited. Please put your hands together for Mr. Thomas Muthoot, Managing Director, Muthoot Microfin Limited. A very warm welcome, sir. And now please welcome Mr. Thomas John Muthoot, CMD, Muthoot Papachan Group. Welcome, sir. And now please welcome Mr. Thomas George Muthoot, Director, Muthoot Papachan Group. Warm welcome, sir. And thank you for joining us on stage. We would also like to extend a warm welcome to their family. Let's give a big hand to their family. Well, we also have with us here today the leadership team of the Muthoot Microfin Limited, who are stalwarts in their respective fields and who will also be telling us more about the company and its achievement. We would like to welcome all of them. Please put your hands together for Mr. Sadaf Syed, Chief Executive Officer, Muthoot Microfin. Welcome, sir. Thank you for joining us on stage. And now please welcome Mr. Udish Ullas, Chief Operating Officer, Muthoot Microfin. Welcome, sir. Thank you for joining us on stage. And now please put your hands together for Mr. Praveen T, Chief Financial Officer, Muthoot Microfin. A very warm welcome, sir. Thank you for joining us on stage. And now please put your hands together for Ms. Neetu Ajay, Chief Compliance Officer and Company Secretary, Muthoot Microfin. Welcome, ma'am. Thank you for joining us on stage. And now please welcome Mr. Shubhranshu Patnaik, EVP HR Muthoot Microfin. Welcome, sir. And thank you for joining us on stage. And now please welcome Mr. Jinsu Joseph, CRO, Muthoot Microfin. Very warm welcome, sir. And thank you for joining us on stage. And now please welcome Mr. Linson Paul, CTO, Muthoot Microfin. Welcome, sir. And thank you so much for joining us on stage. The claps should keep going on. Let the energies be high today morning. And now please welcome Mr. Dilip Pathak, EVP Audit, Muthoot Microfin. Okay, he's not there yet. Well, we would also like to extend a warm welcome to the book running lead managers who have played a vital role in the success of this IPO. We have with us Mr. Ratnadeep Acharya, Senior Vice President, SBI Capital Markets Limited. Welcome, sir. And now please welcome Mr. Harsh Kedia, Vice President, ICICI Securities Limited. Welcome, sir. And now please welcome Mr. Akhil Kejriwal, Executive Director, ECM Access Capital Limited. And now please welcome Ms. Neha Agrawal, Managing Director and Head Equity Capital Markets, JM Financial Limited. A very warm welcome, ma'am. Thank you so much for joining us on stage. We will now commence this auspicious occasion by lighting of the lamp, for which may I request the promoters, independent directors, and management team of Muthoot Microfin Limited to kindly join us. Please welcome Mr. Sadaf Syed, CEO, Muthoot Microfin Limited. Mr. Udish Ullas, COO, Muthoot Microfin Limited. Praveen T, CFO, Muthoot Microfin Limited. Neetu Ajay, CCO and Company Secretary, Muthoot Microfin Limited. Mr. Akshay Prasad. Mr. Girish Joshi, Chief Listing and Trading Development, BSE.
शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
closer for a group picture.
दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तु ते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः.
Thank you, all of you, for lending your hand to begin the event on an auspicious note. Let's give them a big hand. And moving forward, I would now like to invite Mr. Ratandeep Acharya, Senior Vice President, SBI Capital Markets Limited, to initiate the proceedings. Let's welcome him on stage with a round of applause.
Good morning. MD Mr. Thomas Muthoot, Mr. John Muthoot, Mr. George Muthoot, CEO Mr. Syed, Shri Girish Joshi, Chief Listing and Trading Development, BSE, dignitaries in the audience, and honored guests. On behalf of SBI Caps and my fellow book runners, it is indeed a proud moment for all of us to stand here today to celebrate a special milestone in the journey of Muthoot Microfin as it readies to debut on the stock exchanges in a short while from now. We are honored and privileged to be a part of this journey, which represents the fulfillment of dreams of many gathered here today. To tell you a little bit about Muthoot Microfin, the issuer represents one of the leading and fastest growing microfinance institutions in India today. It is the third largest NBFC MFI in South India and the fourth largest in India on a gross loan portfolio basis. It is a part of the illustrious Muthoot Papachan Group, providing the company a powerful brand recall, operating and marketing capability, as well as the best-in-class credit rating available in India today. It is well diversified and has a footprint across 339 districts, covering 18 states and union territories in India today. Over the last 5 years, it has expanded its presence across North, East, and West India, which has enabled it to diversify its customer base and its gross loan portfolio. The IPO received a stellar response from investors. There was active participation from all categories of investors, leading to an overall subscription of close to 9 times. The QIB book was subscribed over 18 times, retail was subscribed over 8 times, and HNI bucket was subscribed over 14 times. So this makes it the highest subscribed NBFC MFI IPO in India today. No small achievement. The subscription levels are a testament of investors' strong faith in the company and its management. We thank the investors for their overwhelming support. I am very confident that the management will spare no effort in continuing to uphold the faith of the investors by delivering the unwavering execution that it is known for. I would once again like to congratulate the company, its management, and leadership team for achieving this special milestone. We wish the company all the very best for the future and look forward to a very strong listing today. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining us on stage and sharing your thoughts with us. Let's once again give him a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. And now I would like to invite Mr. Sadaf Syed, Chief Executive Officer, Muthoot Microfin Limited, to grace this occasion and share his thoughts. Let's welcome him on stage with a round of applause. Welcome, sir.
Thank you very much. Normally, I don't write stuff, but being a very important occasion, I've written down and noted some stuff. So, dignitaries who have gathered here, Mr. Thomas Muthoot, Mr. John Muthoot, Mr. George Muthoot, Grish Joji ji, board members of Muthoot Microfin, friends, family who have gathered here, very good morning, first of all. It's a momentous occasion for all of us. After 13 years of sincere hard work, dedication, teamwork, perseverance, this incredible moment has arrived. Personally, as a finance professional, it's a dream come true to be standing here in the August Hall of BSE and living this moment. 13 years ago, as the founding CEO, when we started this company, along with Mr. Thomas Muthoot's vision, we couldn't have imagined that Muthoot Microfin would create such an impact and it will become such an impactful institution. Today, with 10,800 crores of asset under management, 1,340 branches spread across 18 states, with 12,200 employees catering to 3.2 million customers, we can proudly say that we have created a significant institution of our own. But what fills me with even more pride is that we have done it all organically. We have seen a lot of challenges, be it COVID challenge of recent times, be it Kerala flood, but we have shown tremendous resilience. And we have built this institution with hard work, trust, and transparency. And the performance of the IPO shows that the investors have shown faith in us, they have shown confidence in us. Muthoot Microfin IPO was not only a grand success for Muthoot Papachan Group, but it was a momentous occasion for microfinance industry as well. As my previous speaker, Ratndeep, has already said, Muthoot Microfin IPO was one of the most subscribed IPO for a microfinance NBFC MFI. Not only that, among the retail participation, if you look at the investors, this was the ever highest subscription for a microfinance IPO. All of this is a testament to the values, to the system that we have built in, the trust that Muthoot Papachan Group enjoys among the customers and among the investor class. It is an honor to be here and celebrate this occasion with all of you. I would like to congratulate everyone and welcome a new era of Muthoot Microfin as a listed entity. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining us on stage and sharing your valuable inputs with us. Let's once again give him a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. And with that, I would like to invite Mr. Thomas Muthoot, Managing Director, Muthoot Microfin Limited, to share a few words on this prosperous occasion.
Good morning to all. I welcome everybody to this listing ceremony. Today marks a momentous chapter in the story of Microfinance Limited as we embark on an exciting new phase with our debut in the stock market. As we stand at this pivotal juncture, it is with a heart full of gratitude, pride, and unwavering commitment that I address you. Around 13 years ago, the idea of Muthoot Microfin was conceived within the Muthoot Papachan Group with a noble vision to uplift women entrepreneurs, especially in the rural regions of India. This vision was not just a business strategy, it was a mission to empower a dream to transform lives. Today, as we look back, we are overwhelmed with the realization that our dream has indeed turned into a resounding reality. As previous speakers had said, Muthoot Microfin has grown to become the third largest microfinance company in South India, and the fourth largest in India in terms of gross loan value. Our journey has been remarkable, touching the lives of nearly 31 lakh women, most of whom hail from the rural heartlands of our nation. Our income-generating loans have not only provided financial support, but have kindled the spirit of entrepreneurship in countless women. We take immense pride in our digital strides, particularly our Mahila Mitra app, which has revolutionized the way our customers interact with financial services. We are humbled to see that Muthoot Microfin stands as a testament to technological innovation in the microfinance sector, having educated around 1 million rural women to embrace digital transactions. Muthoot Microfin has played a crucial role not only in providing financial inclusion throughout our nation, but also in successfully enabling millions of Indians to become digitally literate. As we transition to a public listed entity, we are cognizant of the heightened expectations and responsibilities that come with this new phase. We stand ready to embrace these challenges with the same zeal and commitment that has been our hallmark. Our IPO, oversubscribed by an astounding 11 times, is a testament to the trust and belief bestowed upon us by our investors, customers, and employees. Our future is bright and our resolve unshakable. We envision expanding our reach, empowering more women customers, women entrepreneurs, and continuing to add real value to their lives. We believe that we are more than just a financial institution. We are a catalyst for change for millions. Our commitment to our customer remains with utmost priority, and we pledge to work tirelessly to exceed the expectations of our investors and stakeholders. On a personal note, the journey of Muthoot Microfin has been a learning experience of a lifetime. From ideation to this grand stage of listing, every step has been a revelation. In closing, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to every individual who has been part of this incredible journey. Your trust, support, and dedication have been the pillars of our success. Today, as a listed entity, we recommit ourselves to our mission, to empower, to uplift, and to excel. Thank you for believing in us, for joining us in this journey, and for being an integral part of our future. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Thomas Muthoot, for joining us on stage and for sharing your thoughts with us. Many, many congratulations to you. And with this, may I invite on stage Mr. Girish Joshi, Chief Listing and Trading Development, BSE, to share a few words on this occasion. Let's welcome him with a round of applause.
Distinguished dignitaries and friends from the fraternity, good morning and very warm welcome to all of you present here at the BSE's iconic International Convention Center for the listing ceremony of Muthoot Microfin Limited, a company from Muthoot Papachan Group. On behalf of BSE, I would like to welcome Sri John Muthoot, Group Chairman, Sri Thomas Muthoot, Managing Director, Muthoot Microfin, Sri Safad Syed, CEO, Muthoot Microfin, Sri George Muthoot, Director, Muthoot Microfin, and my friends from Investment Banking Fraternity, Sri Ratnadeep Acharya, SVP, SBI Capital Market, Sri Harsh Kedia, Vice President, ICICI Securities, Sri Akhil Kejriwal, EVP, Axis Capital, and Neha Agarwal, MD, ECM, JM Financial. We are closing the year 2023, and this auspicious time of Christmas, we are getting company listed from the Kerala, Muthoot Microfin, one of the pioneer in sustainable development of economy. So year 2023 has undeniably become synonymous with an IPO frenzy in India. Companies across sectors are seizing the opportunity moment to tap into the capital market, reflecting a bullish sentiment and investor appetite for new offering. Among this list of IPO, Muthoot Microfin Limited IPO emerges as a strategic move, aligning with the broader narrative of a dynamic and evolving market. From this group, so I was just sharing with Thomas sir, Muthoot Capital got listed in 1995. Muthoot Microfin, of course, we have relationship with the company. Its bonds are also listed with us, BSE, in November 2016. And now we congratulate Muthoot Microfin on account of their successful public offer of rupees 960 crore for equity shares. Of course, the numbers of subscription already shared by Ratnadeep and also Thomas sir. The company has received overwhelming response and is epitome of its success story, its strong corporate values, as well as impact-driven vision. I think company is playing very critical role. No, sir has already said it's catalyst, and as a microfinance institutions providing micro loans to women customers primarily for income generation purpose with a focus on rural regions of India. The company is empowering women and communities through financial and digital inclusion, which is very important, digital inclusion, because it empowers women even to uplift their education skill, which is very important, not in a traditional way. So digital inclusion and women empowerment, it's a very, very fantastic combination. With a strong emphasis on social impact and sustainable growth, the company provides access to capital, foster entrepreneurship among women, and help uplift the quality of the life of the undeserved. So the Muthoot Microfin is now the newest member in the family. Of course, they are already listed, but in terms of number of equity company listed, so it is the newest member, and we welcome them. About BSE, the story of BSE is the story of Indian economy. With a 149-year-old history, BSE is one of the oldest working public institutions in India, having created wealth to the tune of more than $4 trillion, including equity and debt. And sir was sharing with sir, they are also in this business, serving the nation, more than 134 years. So even big round of applause for them also. So they are like part of BSE journey, how Indian economy has grown and how it is the role BSE has played. Same role also they are playing in the southern India, and now they're expanding their reach all over the India. BSE is world the largest exchange in terms of the number of listed company, which stands at 5244. Over the past 149 years, the exchange has successfully offered an efficient capital raising platform to companies in India. And it is in this international convention hall we have witnessed the development of Indian capital market over several decades. First as a trading ring, it used to be trading hall when we had outcry system of trading. Market makers will give two-way quote till 90s. Then post-digitization, it has become convention hall. The benchmark index of Sensex is tracked by investors across the globe and has grown since India opened up its economy in 1991. It is considered also a barometer for the growth of Indian economy. BSE provides an efficient and transparent capital market for trading in equity, debt instruments, equity derivatives, currency derivatives, commodity derivatives, interest rate derivatives, mutual fund, and stock lending and borrowing. Like BSE also has currently 7.4 crore active valid UCCs, which are available for trading highest across all exchanges in India. S&P BSE Sensex and S&P BSE BankX, these derivatives contracts we have recently launched in May and October. Okay, and it has witnessed a significant turnover and has been witnessing consistent rise in both turnover and open interest for these contracts. We are confident that by listing on BSE, Muthoot Microfin Limited will not only be able to enhance its visibility and profile, but also broaden its investor base to further deepen its line of business, adhering to strong governance standards. BSE looks forward to being Muthoot Microfin Limited preferred fundraising partner continually as it expands its reach and grows in scale. I wish this esteemed entity all the very best on account of a successful listing. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for addressing the gathering. Let's give him a big hand. And now, to commemorate the significance of this event, we will now have exchange of mementos. First, Mr. Girish Joshi, Chief Listing and Trading Development, BSE, will present a special listing memento to Mr. Thomas Muthoot, Managing Director, Muthoot Microfin Limited. So let's welcome him on stage. Once again, thank you so much, sir, for joining us on stage. And now to receive the mementos, may I also invite Mr. Sadaf Syed, CEO, Muthoot Microfin Limited. And now please welcome Mr. Sudesh Ullas, COO, Muthoot Microfin Limited. And now please welcome Mr. Praveen T, CFO, Muthoot Microfin Limited. And now please welcome Ms. Neetu Ajay, CCO and Company Secretary, Muthoot Microfin Limited. And now please welcome Mr. Ratandeep Acharya, Senior Vice President, SBI Capital Markets Limited. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment that we all have been waiting for has finally arrived, the very historic moment when Muthoot Microfin Limited will be listed on the Stock Exchange of India. I would like to invite Mr. Thomas Muthoot, Managing Director, Muthoot Microfin Limited, to join us on stage. Also, Mr. Thomas John Muthoot, CMD, Muthoot Papachan Group. Mr. Thomas George Muthoot, Director, Muthoot Papachan Group. Let's give them a big hand. हो गया ना टाइम हाँ मतलब it'll take a lot of time. Let's gather them on stage. Time तो हो गया है. Yeah. Anybody else from the family would like to join us on stage? Can we also have Mr. Harsh Kedia, Vice President, ICICI Securities Limited, to receive the memento? Can we also have Mr. Akhil Kejriwal, Executive Director, ECM Axis Capital Limited? Can we also have Ms. Neha Agarwal, Managing Director and Head Equity Capital Markets, JM Financial Limited? So we are very close to the ceremony happening on stage. I will request you, as the timer strikes 10, you all have to join me in the countdown with all the energy that you've got. May I now request Mr. Thomas Muthoot, Managing Director, Muthoot Microfin Limited, to present a special memento to Mr. Girish Joshi, Chief Listing and Trading Development, BSE. Can we also have Mr. Sadaf Syed? Mr. Akshay Prasad, and all independent directors to join us on stage for the ceremony. Let's take a few pictures before the countdown starts. Once again, I would like to remind you to kindly stay seated as the ceremony happens on the stage because we have cameras behind capturing this moment. Let's keep clapping for the team. Let the energy be high. And the countdown has started. Let's keep clapping. Let's keep clapping. We are just 40 seconds away. Last 20 seconds to go. Are you all ready to do the countdown with me? And here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, Muthoot Microfin Limited is now officially listed on the stock exchange. We request you to stay seated as the ceremony is not over yet. Okay. May we request all our distinguished guests to kindly take their seats as the ceremony is still remaining and we'll take the pictures later. We request all of you to kindly take your seats. Requesting all our guests on stage to kindly take their seats, please. We are yet to finish the ceremony. We'll take the pictures after this. Thank you so much, Girish sir, for joining us on stage and for doing the honors. May I also request Mr. Thomas Muthoot to also felicitate some very special partners whose contribution has been very, very vital in the successful listing of the Muthoot Microfin Limited. Please welcome Mr. Ratnadeep Acharya, Senior Vice President, SBI Capital Markets Limited. May we request the remaining guests to kindly take their seats, please. Mr. Thomas Muthoot to also felicitate Mr. Ratnadeep Acharya, Senior Vice President, SBI Capital Markets Limited. A big hand, ladies and gentlemen. And now please welcome Mr. Harsh Kedia, Vice President, ICICI Securities Limited. And now please welcome Mr. Akhil Kejriwal, Executive Director, ECM Access Capital Limited. After this, can we have Ms. Neha Agrawal, Managing Director and Head Equity Capital Markets, JM Financial Limited. Let the claps be on. Next, can we have representative from legal advisors to the company, Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas. Next, can we have a representative from Statutory Auditor, Sharp and Tanan Associates Chartered Accountants. Next, can we have Mr. Rajesh Chaturvedi, Ad Factors Advertising and PR. Next, can we have representative from Registrar to the Offer, KFin Technologies Limited? Next, can we have representative from Printer, Crystal Forms Limited? Next, can we have representative from AZB Lawyer? Thank you so much, Mr. Thomas Muthoot, Mr. Thomas John, and Mr. Thomas George for joining us on stage and for doing the honors. Let's give them a big hand once again. And moving forward, I would now like to call upon Mr. Praveen T, Chief Financial Officer, Muthoot Microfin Limited, to give the vote of thanks. Let's welcome him on stage with a round of applause.
Good morning, everyone. Today we mark a significant milestone in our journey, one which wouldn't have possible without the trust, support, and collaborative effort of many. So firstly, I wish to express our sincere gratitude to the promoter family, Johnny sir, Georgie sir, and Thomas sir, and the entire promoter family. Your vision has guided us. Your unwavering trust and confidence in the management has been the foundation for our success. Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to extend our sincere thanks to the independent directors, whose wisdom and continued guidance has been invaluable in upholding the highest corporate governance and best practices. That has been one of the key differentiators for Muthoot Microfin during our entire roadshow and going beyond as well. Thank you, sir. I would like to extend our thanks to the two investors, GPC and Creation, who put faith in the group as well as on the management. Both the investors came at very difficult time of Muthoot Microfin Limited, but they supported throughout our journey with their expertise. Thank you, sirs. A heartfelt thanks to the bankers, all four bankers, the lawyers, the auditors, the consultants, the professional management team of various entities who has supported us, collaborated with us. Your support throughout the journey and your expertise and commitment have played a crucial role in making this dream into a reality. Thank you all. Now, I need to acknowledge and appreciate the dedication and hard work of the management team led by Sadaf sir and 13,000 strong workforce from the field who relentless with their commitment and hard work, which is driving force behind our success. Thank you all on the field. Now I would like to thank BSE and AdFactors team for making this event a grand success. Thank you, AdFactors and BSE team. Thank you once again to everyone who have been part of this incredible journey. We look forward to continue the good work with the understanding that this is just a new beginning for another important journey. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, Mr. Praveen, for joining us on stage and for addressing the gathering. Let's give him a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. And with this, we come to the end of the listing ceremony. Thank you so much. We are so grateful to BSE, the book running lead managers to the issue, our members of the board, our family and friends, well-wishers, our shareholders, and all you viewers out here who took the time to celebrate this momentous occasion with us. Thank you all once again. And once again, let's give a huge round of applause and many, many congratulations to the entire team of Muthoot Microfin Limited. So please join us for breakfast and refreshments, which is served at left-hand side. Thank you so much.